guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun little unboxing of some earrings for you guys that were sent to me by the lovely Malia the Moore. She owns a little shop called Lia's Little Shop, which I think is just super cute, and she sent me some earrings to review for you guys. They are so cute, honestly. I'm so excited. I got to pick them out and they've been sitting here for a little while because I've had some things happen, but I'm here to unbox them for you guys, so let's get right into it. So I'm not going to show you the other side of this package, but oh my gosh, okay, for one, the packaging, perfection. It's holographic. Girl, you're coming for me. I love it though. It's so cute. And of course it has a little sticker that says thank you to seal it, and I think that is just so cute. I don't need scissors though, because I think I tested just the corner to see if I could open it, and I think I can do it without scissors. I could reuse this sticker. I'm just gonna put that right there. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Oh my goodness. Wait, oh my gosh. This is so cute. They're in little baggies. Oh, wait, okay, I'm gonna pull them all out here. I don't want to pull the stuffing out onto my carpet. I just vacuumed. Aww. Okay, so this has my name on it. It's a little letter, and then it's got this cute little thing. I love these little guys because I use them for Polaroid, so I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so let's read the letter. So the card is marble. That's super cute. I'm gonna read to you what it says, but pardon me, this is why I was not picked to read aloud in class, so just bear with me. Dear Jade, I hope you love all your products as much as I love you. Aww, you just made my day. I can't believe you're even going to wear my stuff. I can't believe you're gonna wear my stuff. See, again, I'm sorry I didn't read aloud in class. It's probably better if I just were to show you guys. I'm so excited. I hope everything gets there okay. Yours truly, Leah at Leah's Little Shop. Oh my gosh, okay, that's so cute. I'm gonna keep this, and like anything I ever get sent from like a small business, or if I have subscribers send to me, I always keep it. I just love it so much, and I love you guys all so much, so it means a lot. So I'm gonna put this with my little keepsakes. So thank you, Leah. Super cute. Okay, let's get into the little goodies. Is this a scrunchie? Did she send me a scrunchie? Is this like the little freebie pouch? Okay, I think this is just a scrunchie, so we'll do that last. So we've got 4 earrings to go over, and I'm just gonna, they're all wrapped in this really cool gold foil, so I don't know what any of them are, but so let me just show you the packaging. So we have like the little pull bags. That's such a cute touch, and I know that probably costs a little bit to do that because I've been looking at myself for starting like a little sticker business, and it's expensive, so kudos to you, girl, because this is cute, like real cute. And the little foil, okay, I'm gonna stop gaggling over the packaging and just open it up. Yes! Oh my gosh, yes! Oh my gosh, okay. I remember, okay, so the first pair of earrings are these super cute Lego earrings. I love Lego. Lego was like when I was growing up, okay? Lego was the best. These are so cute, and of course I got them in pink because I thought, okay, yes, matches, really matches. Thank you, AC/DC rag, bless. These are so freaking cute. I will be showing you guys little videos beside everything of what they look like on. I will hashtag model them for you, so enjoy that right there. But these are just so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Those are really cute. Do they stack? Are they like legit Lego? Yes! It's legit Lego! That's so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, pair number 1, perfection. We love. All right, so I picked another bag again. Little foil, little cute pink bag. These are super cute. They're reusable too, so like, oh my gosh, I'm like too hype. I'm so excited. Because I've been in quarantine and stuff, not like because I have it, but I've just been staying home and doing my part. I haven't been out shopping, so like, this is so good. I love this. These are the super cute, like purpley pink, and there's sparkles in there. I didn't even know. These are the purple pink gummy bears. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, I don't know what it is, but for those of you who don't know, if you're new, because I've seen a little increase, so hi, I'm back. I love like sweets aesthetic. I just think it's so cute. I love gummy bears and gummy worms and like gummy things, so I just knew I had to pick these because they're so freaking cute. Like, they just remind me of Katy Perry's Teenage Dream Tour, which I never got to see, unfortunately, but I loved it. And like, hi, I'll be a California girl with like my gummy and sweets aesthetic. These are so cute. 10 out of 10. They're so cute. Pair number 3. Oh my gosh, okay, this is like legitly the pair like I'm most excited about. Like, I love the other pairs, but like, oh my gosh, okay. Let me bring them a little closer. Aren't these the cutest? Oh my gosh, okay, I'm really excited. These are so cute. Like, I'm like shaking. They're so cute. So, fun little backstory about this. So when I was in preschool, there was a little teddy bear like this one, except it was brown, and he lived in a teal box with a starfish on it. And I loved it so much that I stole it from my kindergarten preschool thing, and my parents found out. They yelled at me. I brought it back, and as a symbol of my good deed, they gave it to me, and I have never stolen anything else in my life. And I still have it. So I don't know, I'm just obsessed with these little bears that are like given to me, and I feel like it's just like a good deed or something. I don't know, it's just, they're so cute, and I can't wait to put them on my ears. This one matches my wig. That's so cute. I love that they're mismatched too. That's like, it's just so cute. They could like be little friends, like little strawberry and little blueberry. All right, so this last one. Yes! Oh my gosh! Back to my sweets aesthetic. OMG. These are like roll cakes. These are so cute. Look at this. I picked these because they had the little strawberries on top. I'm like, it's cute if you see it from this way too. Look how cute that is! Those are so cute because I have a dress that kind of reminds me of like a parfait, and I thought these would be freaking adorable. Oh my goodness. I love them so much. And they have like the little whipped topping. I love! They're so cute. Oh my gosh. Like, just the detail. You can see like little crumbs in there too. It's detailed. It's all in the detail. Yes. I just love them so much. These are so cute. I cannot wait to wear all these earrings with like bomb outfits that I had planned in my head for them. Like, I have some other Lego jewelry that I was like, yes, I don't have Lego earrings. I need Lego earrings. So boom, there they are. I'm excited. These are so cute. I'm like, if I'm being honest, the bears are definitely my favorite out of all of them. Those were so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear them. But I loved all these earrings, like 10 out of 10, bears 20 out of 10. We love them so much. I'm just gonna show you guys the little freebies quickly. So in another cute little pink pouch, we have a super cute pink scrunchie, which matches the Lego earrings, which is fantastic. I don't have a pink scrunchie like this, so that's awesome. We have a little Converse sticker, which is pink, and I'm like, yes, I have pink Converse. This is such a cool sticker. It's like grapefruit or something. Ah, so cute! This is like a little, what are they called? Oh my gosh. Like a little this plant. This is just fake. I got it from the dollar store, but it sits nice in my mug, so I think it looks good. But like, you know, like one of those, what are they called? Ah, a Okay, well, the word will come to me eventually, so, but it's so cute. I can't wait to stick these to something. They will go in my precious sticker collection for now, though, so love. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you want to go support Leah and Leah's Little Shop, I am going to put, like, the Instagram here, and I'll do a little scroll of her shop as well. I will also leave all the links to that in the description below, so go check it out if you want some super cute earrings. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye!